Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to fold a traditional origami frog, version 2. Here at Heap Art, we're trying to encourage people to connect more using origami. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering something new every single week. You might be questioning why I'm calling this version 2. The reason why is because I recently learned this. I've never seen this one before, and it's the second version in my database. After doing a little bit of research, I see that this origami frog is really common on the internet, and I figured I might as well add it to my frog collection. So, with that said, enjoy the clip. And the traditional origami frog version 2 is complete. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. I'll be delivering more videos like this every single week. And once again, thank you for watching and see you next time. Click left for more paper airplanes. Click right for more awesome origami like this.